Hi, welcome to 1472 Rock Springs in Manteca. Today I'm giving you a virtual tour. Come on in. This beautiful home, less than 6 years old, is located on a desirable area, sitting on a large corner lot and featuring 5 bedrooms, 3 full baths, 1 home office, or it could also be used as a bonus room or a possible 6th bedroom. Open concept kitchen with granite countertops and separate formal dining room. The living room features a new installed electric fireplace with beautiful stone tile. The upstairs floor features a large loft den, perfect for family fun and games, as well as a laundry and craft room combined. The master bedroom includes a large walk-in closet, bathroom with his and her sinks, separate shower stall, and a soaking tub. The front yard has been recently renovated to a low-maintenance design with illuminated concrete stairs leading to the entry door and entry porch. The street side fence was also recently installed, along with a double door gate and side gate and an RV driveway. The beautiful backyard is perfect for gatherings with family and friends. It features a covered patio, playhouse, new lawn and sprinkler dripping system. Besides all that, a tandem 3-car garage. The freeway entrance is just a few minutes away. Other amenities include parks, shopping centers, restaurants, entertainment, theme park, and desired schools, and so much more. This home is beyond move-in ready and a must-see to appreciate all the tasteful upgrades. Thanks for joining me. Do not miss the open house. See the description below for details.